If you spend time shopping for kitchen products, you know how easy it is to end up with products that promise a lot but don't really work. So, these Amazon kitchen finds actually make cooking easier and faster, without emptying your wallet. Let's take a look at the kitchen gadgets that really do what they promise. All the mentioned products links are in the description below. Number 22. Electric Fish Scaler. Cleaning fish can be a real hassle, but this electric fish cleaner makes it simple and quick. Its powerful motor scrapes off scales effortlessly, while the ergonomic handle fits comfortably in your hand so you can work without strain. The stainless steel roller blade with a protective cover keeps you safe, and thanks to its IP7 water resistance, you can even rinse it under running water as you clean. With a built-in battery, you're free to use it anywhere without worrying about cords. Number 21. Hydream Stove Top. Tired of cluttered countertops while cooking? This silicone magnetic stove shelf instantly adds storage without taking up space. Powerful magnets lock it firmly in place, even when opening the oven door. Heat-resistant, washable, and rust-free, it safely holds spices and condiments right where you need them. Flexible yet sturdy, it also blocks items from falling behind the stove, making it a simple upgrade that brings order and convenience to your kitchen. Number 20. Wine Glass Holder. Why have your wine glasses cluttering the counter when you can hang them neatly? These racks go under the cabinet and give your glasses a proper spot. They hold 3 to 6 glasses depending on the size, keep them safe, and make them easy to grab. And the best part, no drilling needed, just stick them on. They're made from strong, rust-proof plastic, so they'll last in your kitchen, bar, or dining area. Number 19. Moss and Stone Electric Crepe Maker. Breakfast just got easier. This electric crepe pan lets you make crepes, pancakes, tortillas, or blinzes in seconds. The surface heats evenly in about 30 seconds, and the temperature control stops your food from burning. It's small and easy to handle, fits right in any kitchen, and cleaning is simple. Just wipe it with a damp cloth and you're done. Also, the automatic temperature control prevents burning, so every batch comes out perfect. Number 18. Yonanas. Got a freezer full of frozen fruit? Turn it into creamy, smooth ice cream in seconds with Yonanas. No sugar, no dairy needed. From fruity parfaits to keto-friendly sorbets, just toss in your fruit, press a button, and you're ready to enjoy. It's super easy to clean, comes with 36 recipes, and makes healthy treats something everyone can enjoy. Number 17. Premium Apple Corer Tool. Effortless coring made simple. This smart kitchen tool uses sharp stainless steel twin blades with serrated edges to glide through apples, pears, peppers, and even cupcakes with ease. Once the core is removed, the blades open instantly to drop it out. No mess, no hassle. Sleek, efficient, and satisfying to use, this core quickly becomes a go-to gadget for faster prep and cleaner results in everyday cooking. Number 16. Rice Cooker. Making rice or quinoa has never been easier. With the KitchenAid Smart Rice Cooker, you don't have to guess water amounts. It measures everything for you. The built-in scales and water reservoir make sure your grains come out perfect every time, and with 21 programs, you can cook rice, beans, couscous, and more. There's even a steam basket for veggies, so you can cook a full meal at once. Some people think it's a bit pricey for what it does, but many say it's totally worth it for the convenience. Number 15. Instant Beverage Cooler. Get ice-cold drinks in just 60 seconds with the Chill-O-Matic. Perfect for 12-ounce cans of soda or beer, it chills drinks 240 times faster than a fridge without any fizz, foam, or freezer mishaps. Ideal for tailgates, parties, or quick refreshment at home, it eliminates the need for heavy coolers and ice. Number 14. Fullstar Mandoline Slicer. Elevate your kitchen prep with this versatile 5-cup mandoline slicer. 6 interchangeable blades let you slice, grate, and spiralize veggies effortlessly for zoodles, garnishes, and more. Safety is a priority with razor-sharp stainless steel blades, protective glove, and finger guard, while the BPA-free ABS body ensures healthy cooking. Number 13. Freeze Wine Glasses. Serve your wine at the ideal temperature every time with this stemless wine glass set. Insulated walls with cooling gel chill whites in the freezer or keep reds perfectly at cellar temperature. Each glass features a comfy silicone grip for easy handling. Excellent for outdoor gatherings or cozy evenings. Stylish, practical, and temperature smart, these tumblers quickly become your go-to wine accessories. Number 12. Suteck Alcohol Still. Craft high-proof spirits like moonshine and bourbon effortlessly with this versatile alcohol, still featuring a thumper keg for enhanced flavor and secondary distillation. Crafted from food-grade stainless steel, it's corrosion-resistant and easy to clean. The extended copper coil and water pump speed up production, while a secure sealing system preserves alcohol quality. Number 11. Grillaholics Grill Brush. If you grill often, you know how messy it can get. This bristle-free triple helix grill brush cleans your grill without leaving any tiny metal bits behind, so it's safe for everyone. It works on charbroil, ceramic, and infrared grills, and even gets rid of years of stuck-on grime. Forget those old scrapers, this one makes your grill ready for your next cookout in no time. Number 10. Electric Wine Saver. Extend the life of your favorite wines with the Electric Wine Saver pump and vacuum stopper set. Effortlessly preserve red, white, and rosé wines as the automatic pump extracts air and stops when the bottle is perfectly sealed. Reusable and eco-friendly, the food-grade wine stoppers maintain freshness without altering flavor. Number 9. Kitchen Spoon Rest. Its raised edges catch every drip, keeping your stovetop and kitchen clean. 4 spacious slots let you organize utensils, spoons, spatulas, ladles, or tongs while cooking. Heat-resistant, non-slip, and dishwasher-safe, it's built for everyday convenience. Affordable, durable, and stylish. Number 8. WACACO Minipresso GR. The Minipresso GR lets you enjoy real espresso wherever you are, and it doesn't need electricity at all. It's small and lightweight, so you can easily carry it in a bag for home, work, or travel. You can use any coffee beans or roast you like, giving you full control over the flavor. To make espresso, just fill the filter basket, add hot water, unlock the piston, and pump a few times. In moments, you get up to 50 milliliters of rich, creamy espresso. Number 7. Milk Frother and Steamer. Now you can make your coffee at home with this 8-in-1 milk frother, perfect for making lattes, cappuccinos, or even hot chocolate. It works with any milk, dairy, or plant-based like almond, oat, or goat, and creates smooth, lump-free foam every time using its cold injection technology. With a 400 milliliter capacity, quiet operation, and a portable design, you can use it at home. Number 6. Sushi Making Kit. Master sushi making at home with this beginner-friendly kit featuring a bazooka, 2 bamboo mats, and a nigiri mold for perfect maki, uramaki, and nigiri rolls. Crafted from BPA-free, kitchen-safe materials, the mats are cotton-stitched with no glue. The upgraded sashimi knife ensures clean, precise cuts through nori and fish, keeping your rolls intact and beautifully presented. Number 5. Vegetable Cutter. If you love cooking but hate the prep work, this versatile vegetable cutting set makes life so much easier. Wireless and rechargeable, it slices, chops, and even blends meat and vegetables in seconds. Dice peppers, garlic, onions, and more without the hassle, making meal prep quick and simple. It's the kind of kitchen tool you'll wonder how you ever lived without. Number 4. Nut Milk Maker Machine. It can handle everything from almond, soy, and oat milk to shakes, soups, and fresh juice, all with just the touch of a button. The 20 stainless steel blades and powerful copper motor deliver smooth, grain-free results. Even hard nuts don't need soaking. The large, heat-resistant glass pitcher holds up to 6 cups, and with a 12-hour delay timer and warming function at 140 degrees Fahrenheit, your drinks are ready whenever you need them. Number 3. Electronic Scale Spoon. Measure ingredients with precision using this digital spoon scale, capable of weighing 1 to 800 grams. Its clear LCD display shows accurate readings instantly, making cooking and baking effortless. The compact, lightweight design with a built-in spoon fits neatly in any kitchen. Switch easily between grams, milliliters, cups, fluid ounces, and ounces with the unit button, giving you versatile, reliable measurements for all your culinary creations. Number 2. Indoor Smokeless Grill. Grill indoors anytime with the Techwood 1,500-watt smokeless electric grill. Its hidden fan and advanced airflow reduce smoke, letting you enjoy steak, burgers, chicken, and more without filling your home with odors. The nonstick surface drains excess grease for healthier meals, while LED temperature control ensures excellent, juicy results. Removable grill plates and drip tray make cleaning quick and easy. Number 1. Glass Rinser for Kitchen. Make glass cleaning effortless with our pull-out sink glass rinser. The 80cm extendable nozzle and 360-degree rotating high-pressure jets reach every corner, rinsing cups and bottles in seconds. Crafted from durable ABS and electroplated copper, it resists rust and breakage while adding style to your kitchen. Easy to install and use, This innovative cup washer saves time and effort, eliminating the need for scrubbing or soaking after meals and parties. That is all for today. Hope you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.